Okay, here we are in the upper spring season. 16,000 BTU Marinaire 115. Of course, it's got the high and low pressure gauges on there. Our wiring box, fan assembly, extra wire for the electrician. He's going to be wiring up a separate 30-amp shore power for this unit. And then that's the cold air return. You want at least 140 inches of return. That's exactly what we have there. There we got the Groco 500 strainer, well below the water line, the 500 pump. And that's the through hole fitting there for turning on and off the water. It's your outbound line, 664 MSIY to a 443. This 6 is coming right up to this wedge vent, and that'll do the salon. Then the 4 goes under the deck, up through the cabinetry, up through this closet, and the vent is right there for the V-berth. That'll work great. Kind of a tricky boat, but we got it done. Then the 3-inch vent to the aft goes up through this cabinet, through that cabinet there, up and around to a 3-inch. You can actually turn the vent whichever way you feel free to. So the system is all ready to go to be fired up. Again, this is Eric with boatac.net. If you need our services, just go on to boatac.net, or you can reach me out on 484-885-6614. Thank you.